We're gonna try to battle our way in there and see if we can't get this guy free. Oh, buddy. All right, see fishing line all over. Okay. All right, let's see what we can do here. I know, buddy. I'm trying to help. Oh, I am sorry, dude. Let's see if we can get it loosened up. This is definitely... Okay, we're going the right direction. Let's see. Okay, come on. There's some line going down to your leg. Let's see if that frees you up a bit. It does. I know. All right, come on. Are you free? Did you make it? Come on, buddy. Come on. You're free. Doop, doop. Come on. Yes, there we go. Oh, thank God. Blessed that we were able to come by today and actually see this guy before it was too late. And looks like he might live to see another day. So we'll keep fishing, and I'll see you guys back when we find the next spot. I know, I'm friendly.